front of me is POCO X4 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation on this smartphone. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for lock orientation icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, my icon is now blue. That means that auto rotation is off, but you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same icon. If you wish to, you can go into settings as well, scroll down and tap on display. Now scroll down and tap on this switcher next to auto rotate screen. If the switcher is gray, that means that auto rotation is off. In order to turn it back on, just click on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!